Tell us about your car.
It's a 67 Barracuda. I bought it 9 years ago, and I had it about not quite a year when I started taking everything apart, and it was an 8-year project.
But you told me this was 23 years.
15 years I thought about this before I
man.
started on it.
15 years of thinking about it, but you
Yeah.
didn't even own it. You just
I
knew
didn't
you
own
wanted
it,
a Barracuda.
But I wanted a 67 Barracuda Notch Back.
Right, which it's a
And I had
good
a
looking
picture
car.
of what it should look
But
like.
the license plate says Money Pit. That's your
Yeah,
wife
that's-
again, putting her
that's
2
the
cents
wife.
in. I
Yeah,
know.
that's the wife.
Money Pit. So was it a pretty nice car when you started? Is that why your wife was so mad at you?
It was a 50-50 car.
Yeah.
You know,
Could have
50
gone either restore
50
it.
feet away, 50 miles an hour. It looked
There
good.
you go.
But
Waves at you when it's
it had a
going
lot
by.
of rust in it when
Yeah.
I got it.
Okay.
But it was all kind of hidden problems.
So are you going to race it? You think? You ever think you're going to take it to the drag
Oh
strip?
yeah, probably next year.
You have any idea you have a number you're shooting for down the quarter mile?
Well, the guy who built the motor says it's a 8.5 to high 8-second car.
Wow.
So
Yeah.
I
Wow.
hope he's right.
Well, you did an excellent job on it, and I got to tell you, here at this car show, you can see we don't have a lot of cars, and I personally picked your car because, again, it called out to me, and I appreciate you
deal.
bringing it out to us.
Thank you.
Very
Appreciate
good.
you asking me.